How to find out if someone blocked you on Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Go to their profile and see for their story. If they used to post often, now you don't see anything, it means they have not posted or they have actually blocked you on their story. One way to find is go to your profile at the bottom right. Then you can simply switch your account by holding your profile or create a new Instagram just to stalk the person. After you have logged into your new account, what you can do is search the person's name and see if there is any Instagram story. If you see any story from that account and you are not able to see the story from your account, that means they have blocked you on Instagram story. And this is how to find out if someone blocked you on Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.